Today, we are going to learn about profit maximization for firms in monopolistic competition in the short run. Before we get started, let's define exactly what monopolistic competition is. You can figure out how monopolistic competition works by breaking down its name. The first word monopolistic naturally refers to a monopoly, while the second word competition can be seen as perfect competition. Firms in monopolistic competition have characteristics of both monopolies and perfect competition. Firms in monopolistic competition have similar yet differentiated products and low barriers to entry, which are characteristics that are similar to perfect competition characteristics. However, firms in monopolistic competition can set the price of their products, which you can see in monopolies. A good example of monopolistic competition in action is restaurants. All restaurants sell food, which is similar from one restaurant to another. However, they can be differentiated. For example, you might spend $5 on a hamburger at one restaurant, or spend $20 on a gourmet hamburger at another. Both items are hamburgers, yet they can be differentiated. You can also see how they can set the price. In the short run, firms in monopolistic competition operate as a monopoly. If you have watched our video on profit maximization in the short run for firms in a monopoly, you might have seen the graph below. Just like in any profit maximization, profit is maximized when MR, which is marginal revenue, is equal to MC, which is marginal cost. Marginal revenue is the added revenue gained from the production of one additional unit, while marginal cost is the added cost that is incurred when producing said unit. In the graph below, you can also see the demand curve and the ATC curve. ATC stands for average total cost. At the point where marginal cost equals to marginal revenue, we will find point Q star, which is the equilibrium quantity for the firm. To find the revenue, we will find the point where the demand curve intersects with Q star. We will call this point point A. From this point, we can also find P star, which is the equilibrium price for the firm. We will also find a place for ATC at Q star. We will call this point point B. And to make it easier to find the profit, we will make a horizontal line called ATC star. Now, let's find the profit. We know that profit is total revenue minus total cost. To find total revenue, we must multiply price and quantity, or P star times Q star. To find total cost, we must multiply average total cost by the quantity, which is ATC star times Q star. Now, we can put them together. Since profit is total revenue minus total cost, profit can be found by P star minus ATC star all times Q star. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.